Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable Save Passwords prompt on Brave browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon that represents with three horizontal lines, and then select this one settings option in the drop down menu. In the Brave settings, in the left sidebar, click on this one autofill and passwords option. On the right, click on this one password manager option. Then select settings in the left sidebar. On the right, under settings, you will find this one option offer to save passwords. In case you want to turn off this one pop up, then turn off this one toggle switch. And in case you want to offer to save passwords by Brave browser, then turn on this one toggle switch. After making the changes, close the Brave browser once and open it to apply the changes.